Welcome the our channel. Today we how to upgrade your stock market game with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Fidelity account if you haven't already. Visit the Fidelity website. Click on the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information. Ensure you have necessary documents ready, like your social security number. After setting up your account, log into the Fidelity platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the various features available, including research tools and market insights. Next, set your investment goals. Decide whether you're focusing on short-term gains or long-term growth. Consider your risk tolerance to guide your investment strategy. Once your strategy is clear, research different investment options. Look into stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds available on the Fidelity platform. Utilize the research tools Fidelity offers, such as stock screeners. Analyze historical performance and recent news related to your interests. Select investments that align with your goals and values. Now, fund your account to start investing. Link your bank account for easy transactions. Choose the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transfer. After your account is funded, it's time to build your portfolio. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Consider allocating funds into different sectors and asset classes. Once your portfolio is established, monitor its performance regularly. Use Fidelity's performance tracking tools to evaluate your investments. Stay updated on market trends and economic news. Make adjustments to your portfolio based on performance and market conditions. Take advantage of Fidelity's educational resources. Participate in webinars or read articles on various investing topics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.